Hello everybody, welcome to Being Civil. This is the first video of soil mechanics. We will discuss here soil as a three-phase system. So let's start. Suppose we have some soil mass here. This soil mass consists of soil grains. This is soil particles, solid particles. Inside these solid particles, there are numerous voids, pores. These pores may be occupied by water or air, and this is solid soil grains. Soil consists of three phases: solid, water, air. So this water and air voids. This means in the solid particles in the soil mass, the voids may be occupied by air, water and air, both water only or air only. When there is water only inside the voids, that means the soil is fully saturated, and when there is air only, that means that is a completely dry soil. And there is when water and air both, that means the soil is partially saturated. To represent the soil as a three-phase system, we use a diagram called phase diagram. Soil mass is represented as a rectangular shape. Inside this, some portion is solid, then there is water, and the rest part is air. In a phase diagram, in the left hand side we represent volume, and in the right hand side we represent weight. So this is a solid particles. Volume is represented by Vs. This is Vw, volume of water, and this is Va, volume of air. This volume of air and volume of water both represented as volume of voids, and this is volume of the total soil mass. The weight Ws, it is weight of solid, Ww weight of water, and Wa weight of air, which is always 0, and this is the total weight of the soil mass. Now this is a example of partially saturated soil. When this void is completely filled up with water, there is no air, that type of soil is called fully saturated soil. For fully saturated soil, there is only solid and water. Vas, Vw, which is equal to Vv now. Here Ww, Ws, and this is the total volume and total weight. Now for dry soil, this void is completely filled up with air. There is no water particles. This is solid and this is air. This is volume of void, so which is equal to volume of air. This is volume of solid, weight of solid, and weight of air, which is 0. This is the total weight, and here is the total volume. Hope you understand the soil as a three-phase system. In the next video, we will discuss about some basic definition of soil mechanics. Thank you. Stay subscribed. Happy learning.